Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I recreated Lewis Capaldi pointless album art. I started by recreating the stairs. You can simply do that by adding a cube. First of all, let's scale it up a bit. And then we'll select one of the edge on top. Go into your bevel. You drag that out. And then under your bevel settings, put in the number of segments. And if you come over here to custom, under presets, select steps, and you have your steps automatically created. So that was very quick to do. The other thing I created was the water. This was done easily. I have shown how to do this in one of my previous tutorials. So if you're following me, you can learn about it quite easily. For the water, we'll start by adding a plane. And then we go into our shader editor. We add a new material. And what we want to do is take the base color to black. The roughness, you want to take that down. You add a bump, Shift A, bump, link the normal to the normal, and Shift A, add a noise texture. Link the color to the height. If your Node Wrangler add-on is turned on, press Ctrl T to add the texture, coordinate, and the mapping. Then we can adjust the scale of the water. We want to change it from 3D to 4D. And add in more detail, play with the roughness value. And then if you go here where you see this W, I want to type in hash frame star 0.001 and hit enter. And this will automatically animate your water. So that's quite easy to do. The next thing that I needed to create was the background. And for that, you can use Nvidia canvas. For the background, we'll open Nvidia canvas. And we'll look for the sky that will fit the image. This sky looks good. And we want to add a sea to the bottom, so we can just come here and paint the sea right under. And we click on export and save the file. We import the sky to the background. Press Shift A, image as planes, and we'll look for the sky material and scale it into place. So there we have our sky. And then for the sky material, you would want to link the color to the emission. And then the last piece of the scene was to import the character. So if you go to the Mixamo website, you can find this character, add an animation of ascending the stairs, and export the character animation. After importing it, you add your textures. I added a concrete texture to the stairs and a point light. It's 1 point light to match the light in the album. And then you set up your camera. Don't forget to add depth of field. I used a focal length of 80 millimeters. And there you have it, your animation is set. If you want a complete walkthrough on how I created this album art, leave a comment on the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.